Mm. Hi everyone! So we just finished preparing everything for the egg rolls. Now it took about an hour to prepare and make everything, but what's really good about it is we can just put it in our freezer and then take them out and have them whenever we want. That way we're not going to the store and buying pre-made egg rolls that contain more calories. These ones aren't as bad for you, and here we just fried them up just to test our work and see how they taste. And the other great thing about these is, so if you go into a restaurant and you want to buy at least 5 egg rolls, it can cost anywhere from $7 to $10. We made about 48 rolls and it only costs us 20 bucks in total. So that's not bad considering that we have all of these and we can just have them whenever we want, which is really nice. So here we're just gonna test out and see how they taste, which I'm already guessing that they'll taste perfect. This is just the dipping sauce that we have to go along with it. It has garlic, red chili, fish sauce, limes, and that's it. All right, so let's see. Seems to me like these are restaurant quality. They're really good. You can't even tell the difference between the restaurant ones and then these ones. And you can definitely tell that there's a difference between these ones and like frozen ones that I've had before. And for me, I prefer these ones over the frozen ones any day. So go try them out and try making them yourselves. See how it turns out. So good luck with your cooking and preparing your egg rolls. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video to see more content like this come out. That's it for today.